salutations. Back again with another episode of What's in My Package, and today we have...
this is a package from BookOutlet.ca.
And there's an explicit warning on the front, as you can see, may contain awesome books.
Mm-hmm.
So, here we go.
I kind of forget what I ordered. So this one, oh yes, Self-Care for Men. So this website, BookOutlet.ca, is a lot of discounted books, so check it out. There's a whole bunch of different sections that you can go and look at. So this is obviously in the self-care because it was January and everyone wants a new year, new me. This one, Sophie Kinsella, she's one of my favorite authors. The Confessions of a Shopaholic series is one of my favorites to binge read over and over again. This is a standalone book though, but it's her newest one. Quite excited about that one. Nicholas Sparks. Can't go wrong with Nicholas Sparks. Right, he is romantic and all that whatnots. And yes, more self-care, because again, January, new year, new me. This one looked pretty cool because it's 1 month at a time, and every month had a different category to try. So dry January, we were already doing that to begin with, so we can just trek along with that for the rest of the month and then go from there, which would be see how far we can get before we either A, lose interest, or B, forget. This one, Sweet Little Lies. Honestly, I don't remember ordering this one. Yeah, so, I don't know. We'll see how it says international bestseller, so I guess we'll see. More in here. 3 things I know are true. Yep, don't really remember getting this one either, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty, but don't judge a book by its cover, right? So, but we shall see. So yeah, again, this whole box of books cost me less than $30 before shipping, so definitely check them out. They also send $5 coupons off every now and then, so definitely worth checking out. So that was BookOutlet.ca.
Until next time, have a great night.